Hi guys, let's eat young corn. It's boiled young corn. So this is my favorite food, organic food. Ang nakaka-relate lang nito yung mga mahihirap tulad ko. For those only who can relate this, what I eat is only for poor like me. When I was kid, this is my food when I was kid. Walang arte-arte. Kung anong mayroon, yun ang nakayanan. Huwag na magpa-arte-arte. I still have one here. This is my lunch. And mango. This is my dessert after eating my young corn. So this is it. Thanks for watching.